The market theme, the reopening of the key shipping lane, the Strait of Hormuz, is quite likely, which shall ease supply concerns and provide much-needed relief to global crude oil markets. Trump says U.S. is getting a lot closer to agreement with Iran. The oil watch WTI crude oil sluggish near $97 per barrel on Middle East optimism. Our call of the day, the good news is that Dalal Street has comfortably passed the Q4 earnings test. The other positive takeaway is that Indian markets have remained remarkably resilient despite global uncertainty, currency weakness and persistent foreign institutional investor (FII) selling. Hopefully, Nifty and its heavyweight stocks now play the catch-up, as there is still a fair chance that the benchmark attempts to recapture its psychological 24,000 mark in the days ahead. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's volatile session, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs 4,440.50 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 6,004 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are suggesting some massive rebound play. FNO month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 17.91 levels. At last check, USD INR, May, was trading firm near 96.30 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th May, is at 1.06 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.74. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.69. Midcap Nifty is at 1.07. Nifty Outlook Nifty is likely to witness a strong rebound, with a high probability that the psychological 24,000 mark could be reclaimed. The technical structure has shifted from caution to optimism. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23,719. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,551 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,550 and 24,000. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 75,415. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 74,000 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 77,700 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 75,000 to 76,000. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 54,055. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 53,451 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 54,700 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 53,500 and 55,000. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. Dalal Street now heads into the final week of May, May 25th to 29th, 2026, with sentiment turning cautiously optimistic. The positive takeaway from last week's trade was that despite range-bound moves, bullish bets were seen surging on hopes of a possible US-Iran agreement. Key triggers for this week. 1. High-stakes FNO monthly expiry, Tuesday, 26th May. 2. Importantly, US markets will remain shut on Monday, 25th May, on account of Memorial Day. 3. Technically, hopes remain alive for Nifty to reclaim the psychological 24,000 mark. Stocks in spotlight. Key Q4 FY26 results watch vertical bar Monday, 25th May 2026. Hitchi Energy India. Suzlon Energy. Rail Vikas Nigam. Container Corporation of India. Sundaram Finance. NBCC, India. Poly Medicure. Nesco. TVS Supply Chain Solutions.